Hey y'all, it's Mika. Happy New Year, and with a new year I wanted to start out with a new do. So let's get right into it. I wanted to rock some soft, natural looking curls, so I picked up some Jamaican Bounce hair from Sensationnel from my local beauty supply store. It comes pre-curled and all you have to do is install it. So there's no perm rotting or hot watering. We're beyond that point. You just have to install it in your hair. So here's my braid pattern. It's pretty straightforward, or straight back. See what I did there? If you need help with your braid pattern, I did a tutorial on this before, so you can check it out above, or you can wait until the end of this video to check that out. So before I install the hair, I separated the pre-curled pieces by pulling on it to loosen up the center where all the hairs were gathered, and then I split it where it naturally wants to split. And I separated some into 3 pieces for the back and 2 pieces for more defined curls in the front. Separating the hairs beforehand just saves you a lot of time when it comes time to install the hair. You don't have to worry about separating then installing, separating then installing. You can just install all of it in one shot. After that, I moved on to installing the hair. Starting from the back, I just inserted the latch hook into the braid, placed the middle of the curl onto the hook, closed the latch, pull the hair through, pull the ends of the hair through the loop once or twice, and pull the ends to secure the knot. And that's the gist of how I install the crochet braids. It's a really simple process. For the back half of my head, I installed each curl with at least 1 finger space in between. As I got closer to the front, I installed them right next to each other, especially on those braids where I know my parts would be exposed. Once I think I'm done, I always go back and check for gaps in the front and fill those in as well. I really love how it turned out. The hair itself looks and feels like natural hair that's been blown out, pressed, and wand curled. This style can last anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks. It really just depends on how well I take care of it. And if you want to know more tips on how to have longer lasting crochet braids, you can tap the link that will take you to my blog in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below and let me know how you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.